this over, it goes on the underside.
That?
On the P end. No, it goes on. Well, I don't know. It's hard. No, you're right. You're right. Put it on this one. Can you get it? I need my fingernails. Okay, and put it on this end. Not quite at the end. Yeah. Nope, not on that. Not that one. The one end.
One.
Yeah. Yeah, on that one. Cool. That was that. Okay, yeah, because see, it's on the gray end. Okay. Now we put this on top. On top of the red. Yep, put it on, nope. You're right, put it on top of the red right there. Yep. Perfect, now this one goes on this end. It doesn't have a red one to go on.
And we're building this, and this is we would call and we need to build it.
It goes one end, see?
We thought now during quarantine and a thunderstorm was a good time to go through some of our old
Yes.
Lego sets. So Kieran wanted to do our old police station.
Hey, I got 3.
He's got the number
You got
3 book.
book 3, yep.
So we're starting with this is the police car.
You need
don't
one of those
wait.
under circles.
Whoa, I need those news.
You need one of those, and it goes on the end without the red, so it goes on this end with the black. No, but on the end. Yep. Spin around till it
I
goes
wanted
on.
to do one of my old Star Wars spaceships, but Kieran wanted to do the police station. So we're doing the police station.
All right, so we flip it back over, and we give it 2 fingers.
2 orange?
Dots, I call them. I know they're not, but whatever.
I like calling them dots. I think that's a good description.
Oh, and 2 1x1 whites. Here, just a second. Did you put the oranges on the corners? No, they go here on the corners.
Oh.
That's okay. Oh, these. Oh. Put that one on there, and then we need the discs, not the.
Oh,
Oh, you got them. Okay.
Well, it was up here.
Yep. See now, this red goes here. Red. These guys.
Got 2, Daddy. I got 2.
All 3. Put red ones on the whites too. On that white, yeah.
Oh, just put those away.
Are those gray dots? Dark gray dots?
Bam.
Bam. So those go on there. You got it. Did I pull a hollow one? No. Give me that one back. I pulled the wrong thing. Here, put that on it. And then the other side will get that one. And then these whites go. Okay, yeah, with a gap in the middle. Okay. It goes down there. And then we have to fill in the gap with.
Which wheels? I will get the wheels.
We don't need the wheels yet. Just wait and read the rules.
We need 2 dark gray here. Watch, Kay. We need 2 of these, and they go in here and lock it on.
There.
And spin it around till you can get it to go in. Yep. Nope. Yeah. Over there. There's where it goes. And the other one goes on the other side. That drawer away like a silly person.
You're starting to get a feel for where everything is.
Where?
Me?
Yeah, you're starting to
Yes,
get a
I
feel
am.
for stuff. in there.
This goes on top of the half gray, half yellow. You got it. Daddy got us our things. These go behind that. Here's the other one. I just knocked the headlight off. Oh, uh-oh, I knocked the headlight off. Nope, goes all the way. Yeah. This goes,
Whoa, you're not.
I did. You go put it back. Cool. All right, and then this goes on the black right there.
You guys go on a truck.
Nope,
It
you dropped
does go in a
No, it goes
truck.
on the last black one back there. Nope, that's yellow. It goes on the black one. Wait, no, we gotta build something first. We gotta build these. This, and then it gets this, and then it gets this, and then it goes. On there. Yeah.
Can I do it?
What?
That's the longer one again.
Yep. Snap it on. Oopsie. That's okay. It's right there, and it goes. You know where it goes.
It's bribbly.
Windshield. Take it. Let's see.
Where? I will get this and you'll get those, okay? No. Nah. That's days.
Where's the
I
windshield?
have again. What? Whoa! That's a pizza everything. A 10.
A 10. That's the one we want.
Yeah.
Can you get the roof? Here. Let me see if I can get it to stick on. Okay,
That
wheels
roof
on.
comes off very easily. I remember that. And the wheels last up.
Uh-oh. I think we want to flip this one around so we can see it's pretty.
Oh.
Hubcap.
Show him the difference. There's
See, that side?
hubcap. There's a nice.
So you want to see? No, flip it. Again,
Show
see?
those nice rims.
There you go.
See the difference?
There you go. Put the nice side out. There you go. There you go. Last step. You did it.
I'm the
Leave it down.
10. Number 10.
Number 10.
Number
Okay.
10.
With number
please,
6.
Father.